Hi, hi guys. Today I am gonna show you that how you can put the new registration sticker. This is the old one. Usually, I mean, if it's not too much on top of that, and I put the registration sticker on top of this. So I just want to show you that how you can take it out, the old one. So you're gonna use this screwdriver and just go like this. As you see, just gone. Oh yeah, there you are. That is everything like this. That's it. Okay, this is the one that we're gonna use razor. This is the one that we needed later on. Let me bring the registration sticker. Here you are. We're gonna put this one. 2022. Just get from here. Come on. It's right there. Bend it a little bit more. Bend it. Okay, see. Pull it. And just go ahead and same place. Put it here, exactly. And push it. That's it. Push it. And then what we're gonna do? We're gonna cut it small pieces, because if somebody tried to steal your sticker, they cannot steal it. What we could do, little bit here, cut it here, cut like this, small like this, that's it. And when you cut that, then up the opposite side, like you're gonna cut it like that, and nobody able to take it away, your sticker. So they are not able. If they try to take it out, what is gonna come? Small piece, and that person, they're not gonna give time to take it one by one and put together. That's why you are safe, and they're not gonna take it, your sticker, registration sticker. All right, guys, it's all about this, and hopefully this video helpful to you guys, and see you soon with another video. Bye bye.